Let AutoMarker create fusing blocks for the facing piece, grouped by size. Start AMC upload and login in AutoMarker. Select the marker to be laid. Select one appropriate profile. Open the editor for smart placement. Select the facing pieces of one size. Everything you will now define will be valid for all pattern sizes. Click on Advanced. Give a name for the group and click on the tab Group Position. Click on Create Rule. Position the pieces approximately like they should be late in the marker, but with a small overlapping which won't be taken into account from AutoMarker. Press for this the keys Ctrl and Shift. Click the pieces with the left mouse button and then click with the right mouse button to open the sub-menu. Select Align Left. Enter the deviation 0 in the small window. Define the gap for the blocks. This is one irregular fusing block from 10 mm. The lines are parallel to the contour for the top, bottom, and left. The block is straightened at the right side. Activate the preview in order to check the result for the different sizes. Click on OK to save the block definition and close the windows. If you desire, you can save the profiles in order to use it later again. Indicate a name for the AutoMarker job. Send the marker to AutoMarker. And this is the result. AutoMarker has grouped the facing pieces and created a fusing block in each size.